as a facilitator for the workshop that is going to be conducted in Sejong City. So I was asked recently that I need to do this workshop, and I was thinking about how youth can be a potential force in changing national policies with reference to climate change. So one being like how you set your visions strongly, and second being how you're trying to convince your national leaders to implement solutions that can prevent emissions, and finally giving them recommendations that can lead to those potential changes. So we as youth need to have a preamble which outlines all those things that I said before. So catch you guys very soon. See you all at Sejong City through online.